Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making a lovely recipe. It's really great for winter evenings when it's cold outside and you just want to snuggle down by the fire and have something warm and toasty. So this is our leek and potato soup. We grew the leeks in the garden, but you can buy them in the supermarket if you don't grow your own. And we're going to put some lardons in it, although if you're vegetarian, feel free to leave those out. Anyway, let's get right on with it, because I don't know about you, but I'm feeling hungry. So for this recipe, we've got 1.2 litres of stock. I'm using chicken. Again, if you want to make it vegetarian, use vegetable stock. It's just a stock cube with water, 2 in this case. Some creme fraiche, 5 medium potatoes, or about 500 grams once they're peeled, 300 grams of leeks once they're trimmed, a medium onion, a teaspoon of fresh thyme. I've got a little piece of celery here just because I think that always adds a nice flavour to soups, and a packet of lardons, which are bacon, trimmings of bacon. If you don't get lardons where you are, you can also buy streaky bacon and cut it up, or pancetta. I've got 150 grams here, so it'll make it a nice meaty soup. So the first job is to chop the onion. You're also going to need about 2 ounces or 50 grams of butter. Switch the gas on. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll chop the celery. That can go in at the same time as the onion. So now I'm going to trim the leeks. Just taking those roots off. They've already been washed. So my butter's nearly melted. Let's add the onions and the celery. So the onions and celery have softened. Let's add the leeks. Give those a stir, and now I'm going to peel the potatoes. So the onions and the leeks are caramelising nicely. When you fry them, it takes some of the water out, it evaporates, and that intensifies the flavour of the onion and leek. So now I'm going to add in the thyme. A little stir. I'm cutting the potatoes up into roughly 1-inch chunks. And they can go straight in. Not the one that went on the floor though. So let's put the rest of the potatoes in. Give that a little stir. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit more. There we are. So as usual, this is a nice easy recipe. I don't believe in making it too complicated in the kitchen. I think cooking should be fun and everyone should be able to have a go. So this is quite an easy recipe. So I'm going to add some seasoning, freshly ground sea salt and black pepper. Now the reason I am grinding it into the ramekin is if I do it over that saucepan that's already steaming away there, the steam will go up into the bottom of my grinders and get them all damp, and then it won't work properly. So let's just do it in a ramekin. It will need adjusting later, the seasoning. Always taste it to make sure it's right, and you'll probably want to add a bit more. There we are. I think the stock can go in now. So as you can see, the stock's just covered the vegetables. Turn the heat up, bring it to the boil, and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So in the meantime, we can be frying the lardons. With lardons, it's a good idea to put them in before the pan gets too hot to help render the fat. And these lardons are without nitrates, which I prefer. They're also called allumettes, which means that they're cut like matchsticks. You can get thicker ones as well. But as I say, if you can't find lardons where you are, just chop up some streaky bacon. I'll put that back in. Not glasses.
No.
So we want the lardons to be crispy. They're nearly there. So my soup's been simmering for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to test the potato with a fork. Yep, that feels nice and soft. Not too soft, just right. So I'm going to switch the soup off now, and then I'm going to blend it before we add the creme fraiche and the lardons. So I've got my trusty stick blender. Okay, that's pretty smooth. So I'm just going to taste it for seasoning. It needs a little more, but don't forget the bacon is quite salty, so I won't put too much salt in. And now I'm adding 100 ml of creme fraiche, which is about 2 tablespoons. And I'm just going to give that another quick blend to incorporate the creme fraiche. And lastly, it's time to add the lardons. So that's the soup finished, and in about an hour's time we're going to have that for our dinner. There you are, Sean. There's a nice bowl of leek and potato soup with lardons for you.
I know, I could smell it from outside. That's what brought me in. Right.
Let me know what you think of that.
Oh, delicious. Well done. Yeah, give this a go.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
So thanks for joining me in this video today, everybody. Let me know in the comments if you do decide to give this soup a go. I hope you do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.